Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been very long time since I've uploaded any of my videos, but now here I am back again और अब मैं बहुत सारी videos upload करने वाली हूँ just for you guys. So without wasting much more time, शुरू करें. तो जैसा कि आप लोग टाइटल में ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं कि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं मेरे मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन के बारे में. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग जो मैं अप्लाई करती हूँ मेरे फेस पे एज सुन एज आई वॉश माई फेस इज माई टोनर, एंड द वन विच आई यूज इज द बॉडी शॉप टी ट्री टोनर. सो आई जस्ट सिंपली टेक little amount of this toner onto a cotton pad and gently just press it, or I should say dab it all over my face like this. I have not applied any of the makeup right now basically, and my face is all bare apart from obviously yes lip balm. Apart from that I have not applied anything. And don't forget your neck, yes, even for the toner as well. So that's what I do. And that's how I basically apply my toner. And once I'm done with toner, I just let it sit for like 10 to 15 seconds. Basically letting it dry for like 10 to 15 seconds. The next step and the next product which I use on my face is this L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So as you all can see that this is left now in this small little bottle, and I do have one extra. मैं पहले से order करके रखती हूँ. So this is a really nice product. I have been using this since like 2 months now, and I could see the difference on my face. And अगर आप लोग को इसको अलग से review चाहिए तो do comment down below. So what do I do with this product is I simply take a little amount of this essence onto my palm and just simply just dab again on my face. Do not rub it, just lightly with your light hands dab this entire product onto your face. Within seconds ये आपकी स्किन के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा. After you are done with essence, basically the one thing which I apply is a serum, and the one I use is this Klairs one, which is vitamin C serum. And don't tell me Nykaa पे कभी भी available नहीं रहता. It is mostly out of stock, but somehow I managed to grab it. So just take 1, 2 and 3 drops, and this is quite enough for your entire face. Just rub it against your fingers to activate it a little bit, and just dab it all over your face. Yes, exactly. You need to dab it. All the products I use, I dab them all onto my skin because according to me, I think it's much better than rubbing it. And simply ये penetrate कर जाते हैं आपकी skin पे. And as you all can see, you can see that shine all over my face because of this one. I'm sorry I'm looking here because it's more convenient for me. So yeah, so this is a really nice product, and it's a recent purchase of mine, and I've started using it recently. So I'm not sure whether it's going to work on my face or not, but certainly जितना भी मैंने यूज किया है, I'm quite liking it. Many of the YouTubers rave about this like crazy. So I thought, why not me? So the next step is to moisturize your face, is to hydrate your face. And since I have a oily acne prone skin, as you all can see the pimple marks over here and some of here and there. So I have to be careful with the hydration level onto my face because apparently my skin is way too oily. So the one I use here is the Hydra Fresh, and this is also of L'Oreal. And see, I've already emptied it. I need to repurchase. So yeah, I need to repurchase this product, but Nykaa की sale आने वाली है, so probably then. So I've just taken a little bit of this product, gently gonna rub it between my palms to activate it, and then simply I'm going to apply this cream onto my face nicely all over my face. Yes. Last product which I use is this Forever Love, which is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It is highly recommended for you guys that you should all wear sunscreen. No matter you are inside your home or you are outside, you should always apply a sunscreen. It's very important. Oh, sorry. I just started applying because whenever I see sunscreen, I'm like, my skin needs it more than I. So sunscreen के अपने benefits होते हैं. Now that summers are hitting us, so I would really recommend you all to get your hands down on a very good sunscreen, and the one which I use is, you already know, Neutrogena. If you all want me to make another separate video basically on different affordable and high-end sunscreen, then do let me know in the comment section. And the last step, that was the last step and this is the first and last step which I do for just my lips, is that I apply a good amount of lip balm. So that's it. So that is it, and yeah, you're good to go. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. अगर अभी तक नहीं किया है तो do like, do subscribe and do share the video. Thank you. Bye.